What if you could build a real hobby-grade RC car, not a toy, right at home with your 3D printer? In the RC world, there are a few categories: toy grade, cheap, slow and disposable, and hobby grade, fast, durable, but usually expensive once you buy the car, battery, charger and spare parts. But what if you could print a true hobby grade machine for under $200? I've created a complete step-by-step course that includes all the STL files and detailed video assembly guides you need to 3D print and build a fully functional 1/18 scale RC car. It's compact, fast and rugged, reaching up to 35 km per hour. With 20 to 40 minutes of runtime on a single charge. With metal divs, metal axles and real performance. And when something breaks, instead of spending money on replacement parts, you just reprint them for pennies. That's the real power of a 3D printed RC car. No soldering, no coding, everything is plug and play and sourced from Amazon or common RC suppliers. Inside the course, I walk you through every step: print settings, drivetrain assembly, suspension tuning, motor cooling, electronics, upgrades and fixing common mistakes. By the end, you don't just own an RC car, you understand it, you built it, and you can repair or upgrade any part of it yourself. If you ever wanted to build something fast, powerful and completely your own, it's your chance. Start printing today and let's build your first hobby-grade RC car together.